Hello, hello! It is time for day number 12 of hashtag 12 Days of Christmas in July 2026. Today I'm going to show you how to create this 3D tree decoration star. I'm going to need 5 squares measuring 3 by 3 inches. I'm going to fold it in half from one corner to the other. You can use any design paper that you want. Make sure it is not too thick because it's going to be bulky. Now open it and then we're going to fold the sides up to the score line in the middle. Make sure the lines are very straight. This way your star will look professionally finished. So first I did it on the right hand side, now I'm going to do it on the left hand side. When this is ready, always use a bone folder. So now when this is ready, I'm going to fold the triangle at the bottom up to the score line here, which is very easy. And then when I use the bone folder, from the corner at the bottom, I'm going to go to the score line in the middle. Again, I'm going to use my bone folder and I'm going to repeat the same process on the left hand side. And then I will need to add some red liner tape. If you use any other design paper, you can use liquid glue or hot glue. But with the gold foiled card, I think this is the best option. So here is my red liner tape. I'm going to put it at the triangle in the middle here. And I'm going to attach the sides, the triangles, which you can see. It does not make sense at the moment probably, but when you create one, it really makes sense. So it's always a good idea to burnish that tape as well, because then it's easier to peel off the backing. And then when the tape is ready, I'm going to fold the sides here and we're going to have a very nice shape. So as you can see, with this gold cardstock, I struggle a little bit with the red liner tape. That's why I'm going to speed it up. And it's always a good idea to use your pokey tool here. That will save you a lot of time. So here I'm going to press with my fingers and burnish it with my scoring bone folder. So as you can see, this is the shape we need, and I'm going to show you the same process one more time. So again, this 3 by 3 inches gold card, I'm going to fold it in half from one corner to the other, use a bone folder, open it, and then from the top sides we're going to fold it up to the score line in the middle. Again, use a bone folder just to have that professional look later on. So when this is ready, we've got a small triangle at the bottom, which we're going to line up here with the bottom parts. Again, I'm going to burnish it and then I'm going to create a small triangle from the bottom sides, again up to the middle score line. And when this is ready, then we need to use some red liner tape, and I'm going to repeat the process a couple of times. In the end, we need 5 elements like this. Have you ever created a 3D star? Please let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't, I really hope you'll feel inspired and create your own version. As I said, you can use some design papers and that would be perfectly fine. And any scraps you've got in your stash, just to make sure it is not too bulky or heavyweight. If you haven't heard about hashtag 12 Days of Christmas in July 2026, it is hosted by Monica Paper Mona, and together with Katarina we bring you some absolutely amazing Christmas inspiration. And I created a playlist on my channel, so you can check all the videos if you haven't seen them yet. I'm pretty sad that today is the last day, but you still have plenty of beautiful projects to watch. And here, as you can see, I'm going to add the tape at the bottom part here, and then we're going to attach all the other elements. At the end of this video, I'm going to share some exciting news with you, so stay tuned for that. You definitely don't want to miss it. So here, as you can see, I'm using my pokey tool to peel off the backing of the tape, and then when this is ready, then I can attach the other panel. I'm going to use quite a lot of red liner tape with this card. To be honest, it was pretty tricky with this card. The red liner tape was a little bit too heavy for it, but in the end it did work really well. So now I'm going to attach the same panel exactly at the same place, so the bottom flap. And I'm going to add 3 other elements I created off camera. And this star, it is simply gorgeous, and I think this size is perfect for any Christmas tree. Of course, you can make this one even smaller, and that would be perfectly fine. Whenever I was decorating my Christmas tree, at the top there were always smaller elements, and then at the bottom bigger. So you can use that trick when you decorate your Christmas tree with those gold stars, or the stars you create with any design paper that you want. So this project is pretty easy, and I do encourage you to check Monica's, Paper Mona's and Katarina's videos as well, and I left all the prompts for 12 days of Christmas in July 2026 in the description down below. It would be amazing if you can use our hashtag and share your beautiful projects on social media so we can have a look at them. And the star is completed. Simple, quick and absolutely elegant. Now it is time to add some gold string at the top. So I'm going to cut to the size I need, and then I'm going to create a knot, and I'm going to use red liner tape to attach it at the back of my star, and the project will be completed. So as you can see, super simple, quick and very effective as well. I wonder how many Christmas projects have you created with us? Please let me know in the comments down below. And I also wonder, which project did you like the most? Which prompt? I'm really curious. And if you have your favorite project from me, Katarina or Paper Mona, I would really love to know which one is it. And the elegant gold star is ready to decorate your Christmas tree or use it as a home decor. As I told you, I've got some exciting news. So in August, I'm going to host a collaboration all about butterflies, and you just saw the calendar, so mark your calendar and stay tuned for more beautiful projects coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Happy crafting! Bye for now!